Hi everyone, this is Michael with SEOGEEK. Today we're diving into one of SEOGEEK's more crucial tools for search engine optimization, the Backlink Analysis tool. To learn more about why backlinks are so important to the growth of your web presence, visit our SEOGEEK blog at seogeek.io/blog. Now let's get started. Okay, so once you're in SEOGEEK, the tool that we're looking for today, which is the Backlink report, starts right here. So under the SEO dropdown, you'll see a list of all the different SEO tools that we offer. Also notice obviously AI. These are different AI tools that we offer, and then the lab is new features and functions that we're always working on. Once we've got them nailed down the way we want, we'll move them into either AI, SEO, or into this tool dropdown, which is where we previously introduced the UTM link generator. So with the SEO Backlink report, you have three different kinds you can do. The first one we're looking at today is going to be the Backlink report. All you simply have to do is put in a domain name. Just put in the root. We don't need to include the HTTPS and the www. If you do, it gets very specific on what it's looking for. So we'll go ahead and submit. All right, so here's the results for the report. You'll notice that this site in particular has 47,000 backlinks, 94% are do follow, which is good. It's got 1,100 domains, which isn't bad. I'd probably like to see that a lot higher for the number of backlinks. And then the IP addresses are 876. Would like to see that much higher for the number of backlinks. Now, as far as domains go to IP, that's actually pretty good. And then you'll notice the spam score is only a 3. Spam scores can get pretty high, so 3 is really good. I've seen in the past as high as 40. So low spam score, the better off you are. This chart here shows you when backlinks come in over time, and it's showing out of course of a year. So you can see there's been steady backlinks in there, but at some point there's been a chunk of backlinks bought through some service. A lot of times what we'll do is if you buy backlinks through a service, we have another tool that you can actually use in here to check and see if they start popping in and ranking. This is one of them that you can see if you know the days you did your purchases. Linking domains. So we go through here. Obviously, you know, this is based off the number of unique domains that are linked to it and the counts on the days they are. This is something that you don't see too often in a lot of the backlink reports, which shows you the different type of domains that are backlinking to you. EDUs are actually really good ones, so it'd be nice to get some more EDUs in here. Most of them are .coms. You can notice, you know, it's other domains because there's all kinds of different extensions now, info, org, etc. And then over here, you see the difference between the do follows and the no follows. Coming down, you'll see the type of link that's in there. If it's an anchor, if it's a redirect, images, you can kind of get the gist of that. And then over here, the different platforms, if it's a blog, if it's known as a CMS or an organization. Lastly, you get this other report here that shows new backlinks coming in and then backlinks that are lost. That's the backlink report. The other thing you can do is you can export it and it'll give you a list of the backlinks that are represented in the report. The reason why you might want that is because then you can go through see which backlinks are good, start looking to see which ones have bad spam scores that you might want to remove or get delisted from for your site. That's it on the backlink report. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. We'll be showcasing each tool in the SEOGEEK suite and rolling out exciting new features each and every month. And remember, you can always sign up for a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. We hope you enjoy SEOGEEK, and we can't wait to help you reach new heights with your website and your web presence.